All right, everyone, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Obsbot Tail Air Smart Remote. This is going to allow you to control your PTZ features as well as set up presets. Let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. So the first thing we're greeted with in the box is our warranty policy as well as our starter manual. This will walk you through all of the different features, all of the different buttons in multiple languages, so definitely take a look at that. You also receive a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging your device. All right, guys, let me quickly walk you through all of the different features of the remote. Starting on this side, you have your USB-C connector here for charging the device. You'll notice that there are some connectors here. This is for another product that hasn't been released yet. So this is so that you can lock the remote into that. On the bottom, there's nothing. Off to the side, you have your lock button and you have your rocker switch. This is going to allow you for, to zoom, wide, or telephoto controls. On the very front, you have a laser that you can use for pointing. At the very top here, we have our power button. We have a multifunction button here. We have our camera button, record button. You have your joystick. You have your tracking here. You have your tracking for humans, your laser control, and for pets. So you can also track pets. You can set up your presets, and you can also set up, connect to up to 3 different cameras. And you have a custom button right here that you can set up within the application or the software. Really nice design, guys. All right, so if you have an Obsbot Tail Air, this is an excellent accessory to have in your arsenal. Okay, guys, now that we've gone through some of the features, let's go ahead and pair this up with the camera. So we're just going to press the power button here on the back and turn this guy on. We're waiting for our green light. Once you receive this green light here, you're going to press the power button 3 times really fast. 1, 2, 3. It's going to go into this blinking mode. Then you can take your remote. You're going to press on this little guy here and the first camera, like so. And then once this light starts to flash, it's letting you know that it is starting to pair. And it's going to pair to the camera. Now it is paired. So now we should be able to control the camera with the remote. And as I mentioned before, you can just hold down on this and you can move your hand and you can control the camera that way, or you can control it the standard joystick controls, which is really nice. And you can set up your presets now that you have your camera connected. So as an example, let's turn this camera, let's say in this direction, and we want to save that as a preset. And then we're going to go to our second position. And then to pick a third, let's say a third position, we're going to turn this guy in the opposite direction here. And also zooming in will also be saved as well. So if we set that as our position, now we can press and hold again these 2 buttons. And now we should have, when you receive this, this will be locked. So if you're unable to get the remote to respond, make sure to unlock this little button right here. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you guys this really nice remote. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If so, I've done my job. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.